Welcome back to the channel. Using Claude AI, I created a PPT. See the PPT slides, how each and every deck is designed properly with the help of Claude AI with its simple prompt. That's why instant prompt to PPT. My thumbnail's title is also. To do this, I just prepared a small prompt. Can you see the prompt? Let me show you the prompt in the editor. Yeah, this is a prompt I have used here. Just a very simple thing, impact of AI on students and job holder. That is the main agenda. I asked this AI, collect the information from the resources and other places, and you can try to create the PPT. Just I'm opening the cloud desktop. This is Cloud AI desktop. I'm opening and I'm just pasting the I'm just adding the prompt in the Cloud desktop, and you can wait for a few seconds, not few seconds, few minutes you need to wait, I believe. So the waiting time, I will edit this. I will remove that waiting time. It take a lot of time actually, around 3 to 4 minutes it will take. I don't want. Let me trim this. Yeah. Now slowly it is doing its job. Claude desktop, some free tokens are there. For free account, they will give you some limited tokens. Based on those tokens, I'm using this. It is doing something. Almost done. It is explaining what it did in each and every slide also, what content it adds and everything, how many slides it added. Around 11 slides added. You can see the color palette. What is the color palette that used? So you can open this with Google Drive, or else you can download. But if you want to open this with Google Drive, you need to authenticate. Let me download, or let me let me download this in my local machine. You see the prompt. I want to, before opening the slides, you have to observe the prompt again. There is nothing. Impact of AI on students and job holders. That is the prompt, main agenda. But I didn't mention any content in the PPT. But you just go to the PPT. Let me open the PPT. And you please observe from where this content all is collected. You can observe each and every deck in the PPT. How, from where it is collected all this information. Did you mention this, all the information, 40%, 70%? No, it is collecting from the third party sources, and it is based on that information, it is preparing the PPT. I observe one small thing inside the PPT is nothing but font sizes. They are look very small. Maybe if you can mention that point also in the PPT, definitely it will make very nice. From the next time onwards, when I'm creating the PPT, I will mention this point also. Fonts should be minimum 16 pixels font size, at least. See how beautifully this is creating the PPTs. Each and every deck, very nice, man. Really, before AI, after AI, the future, and everything it is created. And finally, it is saying that the future belongs to the adaptable, who can learn that, who can learn the new things. Really. It's very nice and very great work done by the PPT. You guys are also requested. Decide the concept. If you have some content also, you can prepare the content, what you want to mention in the PPT, what color combinations you want to add in the PPT. Definitely, you can, even if you don't know, you ask the Claude search. It will help you. I want to create a PPT on the particular topic. Can you give me the highlight points? Those highlight points we can provide here. With those highlights point, definitely it can create the PPT. Definitely, guys. Even if you don't know, you can learn through the AI agent. If you don't know anything, so what is your agenda? Put the agenda here. So based on that agenda, it will create the some information. Copy that information and ask the Cloud AI create the PPT. Yeah, really done a great job, guys. This the Cloud AI is not only for PPT. You can do many things. You can do many things. In the last video, at the end, we did a simple interest calculator. How that works. You can learn that. You ask the AI, it will explain that formula in detail also. Not only PPTs. You can work with some kind of applications, front end and back end also. In the next video, I am going to come with a very nice website that is with React and Next.js. Let me try to create a website with the help of Cloud AI. within minutes, not in days. Okay. I hope you understand this, how to work with this Claude AI. So in the next session, we can come with an exciting video, that is how to create a website with the help of Claude AI. Thank you. If you have any questions, please comment under the video section.